If y'all have been watching my videos, then you know that I've been lighting my cigars with this guy. It's just a little orange torch, and I got it at a gas station for $5. $5 or $6. But it does a good job. But I've been looking for something a little bit more stylish that fits in my pocket. I've been doing some online shopping and looking around and stuff to see what I could find. Now, I got myself one of these Cuban Crafters perfect cutters, and it works great. But also I figured, well, I need a lighter to go with it. So what I've done, see if I can get this thing turned around, is I got myself these lighter inserts. One's the Thunderbird Vector. Is that what it says? Yeah, Thunderbird Bi-Vector. Get some glare on it. Here we go. And the other one is a Z Plus Extreme. Now you can probably tell I've already opened this, so I couldn't help myself. I had to play with them. This one comes empty. The other one, it came with some butane in it, but not much. I'm going to use them as inserts in Zippo lighters, because of course, well, they're Zippo inserts. Polished chrome. Let me wipe that down a little bit. One's a polished chrome, because I like shiny stuff. And the other one's the brushed finish. The idea was that the brushed finish would more closely match my new cigar cutter, but not quite close enough as far as I'm concerned. So what I'm going to do is take this out and put this little twin torch insert in it. No big deal. You take out the old one, you put that in, fits perfect. Put that down, close it, and there you go. If you want to light it, you just push down on the button. Lights up, got your nice little twin torch, and that would be good for toasting a cigar. Now, I had a problem when I first got this. It didn't close all the way. So what I did, went ahead and pulled that out. I got myself my little smooth jaw needle nose pliers that I use when I'm finishing up on my leather stitching, and I just bent that little tab in there. I just took, I don't know if y'all can see that, it has a little tab inside. I just bent that in just a little fraction, and after that it works perfect. Opens perfect, and that's my gimpiness, that's not the lighter. There you go. The other one is the, here we go, Thunderbird insert. Now, yeah, I already had these lighters out and I was playing with them, so couldn't help it. I couldn't save it for the video. I was so excited. Hey, my Zippos are here. I want to play with them. But again, that just fits in there, and it fits perfect. Now this one is empty, so I am going to go ahead and fill it. But first, before I fill it anyway, I'm going to go ahead and purge it. If I can do it without cutting myself. There we go. Yeah, that's empty. I'm going to make sure it's empty. Oh yeah, that's completely empty. Now, I'm just going to use Zippo butane and fill it up. One, two, three, four, five. Whatever. I was going to put it on there a few times. Okay, I'm going to leave that sit for a little bit. Clear some of the junk out of the way. Then we'll come back to it and see how it works. Now, the Z Plus comes with instructions and danger warnings and such, but it doesn't come with any kind of warranty information. Now, that's interesting. Whereas the Thunderbird has a no-proof warranty certificate along with instructions on how to fill it. Safety precautions, performance notes. And let's see, where's the warranty? See if I can find it. Yeah, it's right here. It says covered by our famous no-proof warranty. No-proof warranty covers mechanical parts only under normal use and excludes damage resulting from the misuse, tampering, and abuse of the lighter. No proof of purchase is necessary. So if it fails just from being used, then it has a warranty on it. Whether that's any good or not, I couldn't tell you. Well, let's see. I think that should be long enough. What do you think? Let's see what it does. Okay, closes nice. Opens nice. There you go. Whoa, that's a big flame. I'm gonna do something about that. That's way too big of a flame. I want to toast the cigar, not incinerate it. Oh, has a handy little adjuster on the bottom. A screw. You take that out, you can put your new flint in and your fill port. However, you can't tell what the level is by looking at it. But yeah, that's no biggie. Alright, let's see what it does. Here we go. That's a good sized flame there. And that would be good for toasting a cigar with a soft flame. It's getting blown around a bit. No, it's starting to go down. That's not good. Yeah, I need to turn it up a little bit. That's okay. Anyway, that's the soft flame insert. And the double torch. And also on the bottom of this one, you have where you can take the screw out. What am I talking about? What the hell am I talking about? It's got the adjuster on the bottom and the fill port. Doesn't have a flint. And also, I'm going to go ahead and fill this one up. Purge it. In fact, I'm going to completely empty it and refill it. There we go. It's completely empty now, and you can easily see what the level is in there. And I'm going to go ahead and fill it. Check this out. I hope you can see it. This is pretty cool. There it goes. And there you can see how fast a butane lighter fills. And there we go. Should I go ahead and try it now? Yeah, why not? And there it goes. That's working pretty good. Anyway, those are going to be my 2 new cigar lighters for when I'm traveling. Just keep them in my pocket and I'm good to go. Let me just add this onto the video real quick. This is one of the boxes that the Ringo kid sent me. And in it, I'm keeping both of these lighters. Plus, when I was looking for a lighter, I picked this one up. It's just a little Ronson lighter, but it's too small for my hand. And that button is too hard to push. And that's an anemic little flame. That's turned all the way up too. Like this one here. See if I put a black background on if you can see that better. That's a nice flame. And of course, here's this one. Yeah, I turned it up so I figured that'd be good for toasting a cigar. And of course, I still got my orange torch. My cutters. My brother-in-law, along with giving me a 25 count humidor, also gave me a cutter. It's a single blade guillotine cutter. I haven't had the guts to try yet, because it looks to me like it can kind of squash a cigarette down before it cuts it. The cutter I've been using is a double guillotine. I made a punch out of a 38 special shell. And of course, my perfect cutter by Cuban Crafters. But that's what I'm keeping in this box now. Keeping all my cigar paraphernalia. But the problem is, there's room for more. So, look at that. That's an anemic looking box. I gotta get more junk in there. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I'm pretty happy with what I have now. This will probably be the one I go traveling with. Yeah, I'm trying to turn that up a little. In fact. That's better. And as you can see, there's still lots of fluid in there. That's what I like. I like that it's clear. And it fits perfect in the Zippo. That's lots of flame. That'll toast a cigar. All right. We'll see y'all next video.